Good morning. Off we go. It's like 5:50. The sun comes up in 10 minutes. See how far we can get up the mountain. And hopefully we get some nice morning light up there. Easy, moderate way to get here.
Oh, that says McAfee on 1.2.
Well, maybe they've updated the trail. That'd be great. Yeah, me too. Getting closer. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Deej. Pretty spectacular spot to have teeny, teeny, tiny.
Okay, can I do one, Mom?
Hold on. Those are my raven friends.
My mom is a bird person, not a snake.
I just like ravens.
Just good morning, everybody. Today we went from one of the shelters in Virginia, around McAfee Knob parking area. The second shelter from McAfee Knob parking area, just so you know. But yeah, so we kind of went a little far for my feet. They were aching all day, and yeah, so we just went up McAfee Knob. We're having lunch. We had breakfast and even cooked on McAfee Knob. So yeah, we're having lunch right now, and touch back in with the good stuff and the views. You know, just like I do, baby. I did it!
Also with, oh, there's a whole bunch of them.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Looking back at McAfee Nub, we were over there just like not even 2 hours ago.
Hello.
If she moves, you can tell. Yeah, she's like right in there.